Good afternoon, students. Welcome to your chapter reading session for chapter number 6. The name of the chapter is Working with Multiple Sprites. I hope that you have watched the first video explaining about today's briefing. We would be starting with our chapter reading session. Along with, I would like to show you the practical implementation of the required topics. We had discussed that Scratch is a free programming language which is available free. It is an easy language created for children to understand the basic of computer programming. It is concentrated for students, small students like you, to learn about the basic of computer programming, how to make the programs. It is compatible with both Windows and Linux operating system. In the previous class, that is class 3rd, you have learned about many parts of the Scratch window. We had discussed in our class and in the explanation video also, such as sprite, stage, blocks palette, script area and script. You will now learn about some more parts of Scratch window. Figure 6.1 shows the Scratch window, where we have block palettes, which is the different categories of script. We have the script area in the middle, where we drag the script to the script area. This is the stage, and this is our lovely sprite. Here we have play buttons like green flag, and for stopping, stop button. We have cursor tools, which we are going to discuss in today's chapter. Stage mode buttons in today's explanation. Sprite header pane and sprite list and stage icon. So let's study about them. Some more parts of the Scratch window are these are some more parts of Scratch window. The first we are going to talk about the sprite cursor tool. The sprite cursor tool are located at the top of the Scratch window. The 4 tools buttons in this section are used to duplicate, delete, grow and shrink a sprite. Clicking on any one tool changes the mouse pointer to the icon of that tool. If you will click on duplicate, the icon will change like a stamp. If you will click on delete, the icon will change, the mouse pointer will become like a scissor, and whatever option you are selecting, the mouse pointer will become like that option. To use a tool, click on it and then click on the sprite on the stage. You can use a tool multiple times on a sprite. So let's start with our program. In my search box, I'm going to write the name of the program. It's already installed in my computer, so it will start. Double clicking on it, it's being loading up now, and here comes the sprite. So as we can see, we have the sprite window on my screen right now. These are the block palettes, script area and the other green and red button. Regarding the sprite header pane, regarding the stage for adding the sprite and all. Okay students, this is the sprite list. Here if I click on it, we can see the delete and duplicate option. If I'll click on duplicate, you can see a copy of the sprite has been created, and if I delete, you can see one copy of the sprite has been deleted. Grow and shrink button right now is not available in this application. Now we'll continue with the chapter reading. I have shown you the delete and duplicate button. Stage mode. The stage mode buttons are located at the top right corner of the stage. You can use these buttons to increase and decrease the size of the stage and switch to the stage presentation mode. Here we can increase the size, and look, we can increase and decrease the size of the screen. Even we can put it to the full screen mode and back to the normal screen. So this is stage mode. After the stage mode, we have sprite header pane. The sprite header pane gives information about the selected sprite and some tools to manipulate them. They have the selected sprite can be manipulated by pressing one of the following buttons. Lock, it lets you lock or unlock a sprite. Circular arrow, it enables full rotation in a sprite. Linear arrow, it enables the sprite to face left or right only, and it disables the rotation. You can change name of sprite by clicking on the box that contains the sprite name. The sprite header pane also shows the position shows the sprite XY coordinates as well as direction. The sprite header pane contains the script, costume and sound tabs. You can select any of them. This is our sprite header pane right now, which is telling the name of the sprite, which I can change by typing any other name. Similarly, let's have another sprite also. Similarly, it's also showing you the position of the sprite. If I'll select on this sprite or any other sprite, see the position of the value changes. So when you will select the sprite, it will show you the terms regarding the sprite and its direction. We can also increase the sprite by changing the size value, and as you can see, it has enlarged now. So this is sprite header pane, which gives you the information regarding the particular sprite. If I'm talking about this second sprite, let's see what's its name. Its name is Shrejit 2. What is its position? -156 and 81. Direction 90 means it's facing towards this side. We can change it that also. See, it's changing. We can change the direction. Now, sprite list and stage icon. The sprite list and the stage icon are located below the stage. If you will click on the stage icon, you will find background tab in place of costume tab. You can use this tab to input background of your choice. Here are your sprite list and stage button. Here are they. Sprite list, as you can see, there are 2 sprites available, hence it's showing you the list of 2 sprites. Backdrop, right now देखिए यहाँ पे costume है. As soon as I'll click on backdrop, see the costume has changed to backdrop. The backdrop is related to the stage. आप चाहें तो stage का color वगैरह change कर सकते हैं. Okay, so all this can be done either on the backdrop by selecting on backdrop or the sprite by selecting the sprite.